trying to decide between the Google Pixel 10 Pro and the Pixel 10 Pro XL in 2025, you're in the right place. We're re-diving into the details to help you figure out which one is the better fit for you, so stick around. And hey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more cool tech comparisons. Both of these phones dropped in August 2025, and they're powered by the new Tensor G5 chip, which is Google's most advanced processor yet. They also come with a whopping 16 gigabytes of super-fast LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage options. Plus, you get 7 years of software and security updates, which means these bad boys are built to last. Now, let's talk about what makes these phones smart. They both have Gemini AI integration, which brings a bunch of cool features like Magic Q for smart suggestions. Ask Photos for searching your gallery using natural language. Real-time voice translation that even mimics your voice, Camera Coach for photography tips, and auto call note-taking. Seriously, these are some of the smartest smartphones out there. Onto design and size. The Pixel 10 Pro has a comfy 6.3-inch FHD Super Exua LTPO OLED display, while the XL goes big with a 6.8-inch QHD Plus screen, giving you a sharper resolution that's perfect for videos and gaming. Both screens shine at a peak brightness of 3,300 nits, making them super easy to see, even in bright sunlight, and they support smooth refresh rates from 1 to 120 Hz. When it comes to build quality, both phones feel premium, featuring Gorilla Glass Victus 2, an aluminum frame, and IP68 water and dust resistance. You can choose from stylish colors like obsidian black, porcelain silver white, moonstone blue gray, and jade green gold. Let's get into performance. The Tensor G5 is a big upgrade from the last generation, boasting up to 34% faster CPU performance and 60% faster TPU processing for AI tasks. While it might not beat Snapdragon or Apple's latest chips in gaming benchmarks, totally shines with the redriven features for everyday use. In terms of storage, the Pro offers options from 128 gigabytes up to 1 terabyte, while the XL starts at 256 gigabytes, making it the go-to for power users with tons of photos and videos. Both phones share an impressive camera system with a triple lens setup, a 50MP wide, 48MP ultra-wide, and 48MP telephoto lens that provides up to 5x optical zoom and a jaw-dropping 100x ProRes zoom. They also shoot 8K video and come with a sharp 42MP ultra-wide selfie camera. So, if you love photography, you can expect amazing results from either phone, with detailed shots, stunning low-light performance, and cool AI editing tools like Best Take and Magic Editor. But here's where the battery life really sets them apart. The Pixel 10 Pro has a 4,870 mAh battery, with around 30 West wired and 15 West key to wireless charging. Both models also support Pixel Snap magnetic wireless charging, Google's version of MagSafe, making charging super convenient. In terms of weight, the Pro is the lighter, more pocket-friendly option at around 207 grams, while the 40 weighs in at 232 grams, but gives you a bigger display and longer battery life, so both phones offer the same smart features. Software polish and camera excellence, but your choice really depends on your lifestyle. If you want a sleek flagship that's easy to handle, the Pixel 10 Pro is your best bet. But if you're after a bigger battery, a larger screen, and faster charging, then the Pixel 10 Pro XL is the way to go. So which one's worth your cash? If you're all about minimalism and one-handed use, the Pro feels just right. But for media lovers and heavy users, the XL is the clear winner. Let us know your pick in the comments below. And if this breakdown helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe. Stay tuned for more in-depth tech comparisons.